The tail. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Such a V shape is formed on the side. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 crochets. Once some crochet is done, such a V shape is formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch, through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the ring loop on the hook. That's 1 snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 2 single crochets or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work set off 2 single crochets or increase twice. Work 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet down, mark this single crochet. In the next stitch, also work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Two single crochets and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 2 single crochets. Then work 1 increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Two sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set of 1 single crochet or increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the loop on the hook. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The third set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 4 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 12 single crochets in total in this round. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 12 single crochets in this round. Twelve single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 4 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. The tail is completed.